He's wanted for 4 counts of sexual exploitation of a minor, dangerous crimes against children, class felony 2. I spoke with Maricopa County Attorney's Office, and they state that they don't oppose him getting a bond, surprisingly. However,
he came to the U.S. on Thursday. He was set to go back to Mexico Sunday. And the reason for that, just so you know, is because just so you know, his mom lives in America. His stepdad is an ER physician. He's going to be staying with them. He will surrender his passport. But when he didn't know this was all going on, his biological father has 7 bakeries in Mexico. So he was helping his dad that's why he was in Mexico. But he has no issue staying here. He has family here. He has ties here. He already has an attorney. So
Ari, we're good. We're good. Are you okay?
I mean, the demanding jurisdiction is okay with it.
You're right.
like I said, I just have reservations regarding the severity of the charge. I understand what Ari is saying, but if the demand jurisdiction is open for a bond, I just defer to the court regarding setting a bond.
Also, about the charges, one more thing about the charges. They read way worse than they are. I'm not saying it's an okay charge. I just am telling you that I spoke to the attorney, and that's the way they word possession of child pornography. I just want the court to know that this is not a case where there's actual 4 victims. That's their version of possession.
So I, for me at least, I want surrender of the passport.
100%.
And then we'll set a bond.
Would someone be here to surrender that now to the clerk's office, or?
Let me ask him where it is, and I can have someone there because I don't know where his passport
So
physically
let's
is.
do this. I'll have him put back and you can talk to him in the back.
Okay.
Let's figure out the logistics and then we can come back and set the bond. But I'm not going to set it until I know it's been surrendered. Someone else has possession of it and then we can set the bond for you.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
Well, because the other part, just for, and I mean, more for the court, is that if there is an intention to set a bond, that I can let the demanding.
You're okay?
Well, no, just in terms of, I mean, like I said, I just have my reservations because of the severity of the charge. But regarding the bond, is that the demanding jurisdiction is about halfway into the governor's warrant. Apparently, they won the battle bad enough that they already started working on it, and so they're about halfway through starting that process from the county attorney side. And so just so that I can let them know if the court does set a bond, I can tell them to stop working on it, or at least pause it so that they don't put extra
I mean, I'm okay with it if you are,
Okay.
and Paria obviously is, right? Just we need to figure out what the amount is, but first things first is the surrender of the passport, and then we go from there.
Do you want me to stand down? Do you want to reapproach today, or do you want to?
No, we'll reapproach today. Let me talk to him about where it is.
Okay.
It may be in his property if he was stopped at the airport. So let me figure that out and I'll reapproach.
I got to approach with Abel later anyway, so I'll hang around.
All right.
Okay, I'll be quick. Bye.
I still need luncheon too, by the way. So, okay.